Have you ever booked a flight and received a mysterious six-digit code called a PNR? What exactly is a PNR and why is it important? Well, we will discuss that in today's video. So, hi everyone, I'm Nilima and I welcome you back to my channel, Travel Insights with Nilima. Well, PNR stands for Passenger Name Record. Simply put, PNR is a record which is stored in the airline or the travel system. Whenever you book a flight, airline creates a unique record which contains all your travel details. The record is identified with a six-digit alphanumeric number, like for example, ABC123. A PNR contains the passenger's information such as the passenger name, flight details, contact number, email ID, the seat number, the seats that has been booked for you, any meal request that has been made, any frequent flyer numbers, ticket status, and any special request that you might have made. Well, is PNR same as the ticket? This is where most of the people get confused. A PNR and ticket are two different things. For a ticket to be issued, first a PNR has to be created. Once the PNR is created, once the PNR is generated, then your ticket will be issued. Without a PNR, a ticket cannot be issued. You can have a PNR without a ticket, but you really cannot travel without the ticket. So that's the difference. Now, how do you create a PNR, right? A PNR can be created by a travel agent. It can be created by logging into any of the websites like Make My Trip, Expedia, or you can also directly go into the airline website and create one. Travel agents usually create a PNR using one of the GDSs, mostly Amadeus, Galileo, Sabre. Your PNR is important because it is because of the PNR that the airline recognizes you. If the airline has to retrieve your booking, it is through using the PNR that they retrieve the booking. Using the PNR, the airlines can not just retrieve your booking, they can make any amendments that is needed. They might be you request for a meal, they can add meals, they can add seats, they can cancel the booking. Now, let's talk about the PNR status. You might have heard about terms like confirmed or waitlist, right? Usually, when the booking code shows HK, it means it is confirmed. HL means that it is waitlist. Can you have two PNRs? Well, the answer is yes. So if the PNR is created using any of the GDSs, the first PNR that you will get is the PNR that you receive from the GDS. And the other PNR that you will receive would be from the airline. However, both of these PNR exist in the PNR that you would have. So you might see your booking which contains both the GDS PNR as well as the airline PNR. Airlines will not be able to retrieve your booking using the GDS PNR. Similarly, the travel agents will not be able to retrieve the booking using the GDS if they enter the airline PNR. So that's the difference. One common mistake is assuming that your ticket is confirmed once the PNR is generated. As I mentioned earlier, just a PNR does not confirm that your ticket is confirmed too. Ticket has to be issued for you to be able to travel. I hope this video helped you in understanding PNR in the simple and practical way. If you're interested in learning more about the travel concepts like the GDS and the travel industry, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Travel Insights with Nilima. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.